Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Vercel 404 error on Vercel in 2026. So if your website is showing page not found, broken routes, or blank pages, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open your Vercel dashboard and check your latest deployment. Make sure the deployment is actually successful and not failing in the build logs. Next, verify your project's output directory. If it's incorrect, Vercel won't find your files, which leads to a 404 error. Now check your routing setup. If you're using a framework like Next.js, make sure your pages or routes are correctly structured and exported. Next, confirm your build command is correct in Vercel settings. A wrong build command can cause missing files after deployment. Now check your index file. Make sure your homepage file exists and is named correctly, because missing index files often cause 404 errors. Next, verify your custom domain settings if you are using one. Incorrect DNS setup can also lead to page not found issues. Now clear your cache and try opening the site in incognito mode to avoid old routing data. Next, redeploy your project after making fixes so Vercel can generate fresh build files. Also check if you are deploying the correct branch from GitHub or your repository. Finally, open your website URL again and test all pages to confirm everything is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Vercel 404 error issues. Now your website should load correctly without any missing pages. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.